Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Students, in this video we solve mock test 2 based on previous year questions and expected topic for the annual exam 2024-25 of DAV Public School, Cuttack. If you preparing for your exam, that is the perfect place for you. This is just the beginning. We only complete mock test 1. Also, we cover up to mock test 33 in this channel. So, if you are new in here, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel sanamtutorial to stay updated with all the upcoming content. And yes, if you need the complete PDF of this mock test, you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group, link in the description below. So, let us start the session. Today we cover the chapter triangle. So let's start. First question. Two equal angles of a triangle are of measure 60 degree, then measure the third angle. Before solve these questions, first of all remember all the angle of a triangle must be equal to how much? 180 degree. Means this angle and this angle is equal to 180 degree. The question is said two angles are 60-60, means this angle is 60, this is also 60, means the third angle must be equal to 60. Yes or no? Because 60, 120, we subtract from 180 means that is 60. So answer is 60. Option number IV. Understand? Next question. The side opposite of the vertex x of xyz triangle. Suppose this is xyz triangle, x, y and z. The question is we should find the side to the vertex x. So vertex x means this vertex, the opposite, that is yz side. So answer is yz. Or simply this question you can write, if the question asks find the side of the vertex x, simply cancel the x and remaining write down, that is yz. If the question asks write the side opposite to the vertex z, then simply z cancel, the answer is xy. Understand? If the question asks write the vertex of the side opposite xz, so xz will be cancelled and the answer is y. So answer is y. Okay? Next. Two angles of a triangle are given of a, suppose the two angles are 35 and another is 50. First of all find the third angle. Okay, then tell me which type of triangle. So minus from 180 degree, that is 0 plus 5, that is 5, 5, 3, 8. First solve addition these two angles, then subtract from 180 degree. Then minus, that is 5, here is 9. So answer is 95. So 95 one angle means obtuse angle. So this is a obtuse angle triangle, option number B. We know that a triangle, when one angle must be more than 90 or obtuse angle, this triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Now next, question number 4. Answer the following questions. Interior adjacent angle corresponding to 6 angle. Okay. This is 6 exterior angle. We find the interior adjacent. Adjacent means near. Okay, adjacent means near angle. So 6 near is 2 angle. So answer is 2. Next, interior adjacent angle corresponding to the exterior angle at the vertex P. So at vertex P only one exterior angle is there, that is 5. So we should find the adjacent means near angle, that is 1. So answer is 1. If the question asks find the opposite angle, then the 5 opposite angle is 2 and 3. Similarly 6 opposite is 1 and 3. Opposite interior angle. Okay. Next, third eye. The exterior angle, the vertex R. Okay. The vertex R means 4 angle. So angle 4. Next question. one of the angle of a right angle triangle. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. Suppose ABC is a right angle triangle, means one angle must be 90 degree. Any doubt? Now the question is, one angle given, that is 40. Suppose this angle is 40. So find out the third angle. Okay, so we can write ABC is a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle. Here B angle is equal to 90 degree and C angle is equal to 40 degree. Also we know that sum of all angle, that is A plus B plus C angle is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property. Now put the value, that is A angle plus B means 90 plus 40 degree equal to 180 degree. Now A angle equal to 180 degree minus 9 plus 4 13, that is 130 degree. So answer is 50 degree. Okay, next question. Draw any triangle XYZ. Okay, this is a triangle XYZ. You draw by using scale and pencil. Name X and Y and Z. Name its sides. So tell me the sides. So sides are, first is XY, XY, and second one is YZ, YZ, and ZX or XZ. Okay, capital letter. Now angle. So write down angle. So angle are, we can write X angle, Y angle, or Z angle, or this angle you can write other name, that is YX Z, Y also called XYZ, and Z also called XZY. Y. Clear? Now vertices. So vertices are X, Y, Z. Okay, all of you understand? If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. So that's all for today mock test 2. Hope you found this session useful and feel more confident about your upcoming exam, that is annual exam. So thank you.